Rose milk bath bomb. Rose milk bath bomb. Relaxing rose bath bombs. Relaxing rose bath bombs. Secret flower bath bombs. Secret flower bath bombs. Glitter bath bomb. Glitter bath bomb. Lush inspired Easter egg bath bombs. Lush inspired Easter egg bath bombs. Eco-friendly bath bomb. Eco-friendly bath bomb. Inexpensive bath bombs. Inexpensive bath bombs. Easy bath bombs with kitchen ingredients. Easy bath bombs with kitchen ingredients. Kinder surprise bath bomb. Kinder surprise bath bomb. 3-ingredient bath bombs. 3-ingredient bath bombs. Natural bath bombs without citric acid. Natural bath bombs without citric acid. Easy bath bombs without citric acid. Easy bath bombs without citric acid. Lush Big Blue look alike. Lush Big Blue look alike. Bath bomb with ring inside. Bath bomb with ring inside. Geode bath bombs. Geode bath bombs.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.